Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic Retrieval-Augmented Generation. So, let's get started. In the RAGAS evaluation framework, which metric specifically measures the extent to which the generated answer can be derived solely from the retrieved context. The correct answer is option B, faithfulness. What is the primary advantage of using a GraphRAG approach over traditional vector-based RG for complex, multi-hop queries? The correct answer is option B. It allows the model to traverse structured relationships between entities that vector similarity might miss. The hypothetical document embeddings (HyDE) technique improves retrieval by doing which of the following? The correct answer is option B, generating a fake answer first and using its embedding to search the vector database. Which phenomenon describes the tendency of LLMs to perform worse when relevant information is located in the middle of a long retrieved context? The correct answer is option C, the lost in the middle phenomenon. In a RAG pipeline, what is the specific role of a cross-encoder during the re-ranking stage? The correct answer is option B, to simultaneously process the query and document pair to output a high-precision relevance score. Which architectural component is used in self-RG to determine if the retrieved information is relevant or if a critique of the generation is needed? The correct answer is option B, reflection tokens, reflection/critique symbols. When implementing parent document retrieval, what is stored in the vector database versus what is sent to the LLM? The correct answer is option B. Small chunks are embedded for search. The larger parent context is sent to the LLM. Which indexing algorithm is most commonly used in vector databases like Milvus or Weaviate to balance search speed and recall via a graph-based structure? The correct answer is option A, HNSW, Hierarchical Navigable Small World. What is the primary purpose of query decomposition in an advanced RAG agent? The correct answer is option B, to break a complex question into simpler sub-questions that can be answered individually. How does Colbert differ from standard bi-encoder models in RAG? The correct answer is option B. It employs a late interaction mechanism that keeps token-level embeddings for more granular matching. In the context of RG, what does context precision evaluate? The correct answer is option B, whether the ground truth relevant items are ranked higher in the retrieved results. Which technique helps mitigate hallucination in RAG by verifying the retrieved document's content against the LLM's generated claim? The correct answer is option B, post-generation NLI, natural language inference, verification. What is semantic caching in a production RG system? The correct answer is option B, storing previous queries and responses to serve similar future queries based on vector similarity. Which approach is most effective for RAG when dealing with highly structured data like Excel sheets or SQL tables? The correct answer is option B, using a table-to-text pre-processing step or a text-to-SQL agentic flow. What does the FLAIR forward-looking active retrieval strategy do during the generation process? The correct answer is option B. It triggers a new retrieval mid-sentence if the LLM is uncertain about the next tokens it is generating. Why is recursive character text splitting often preferred over simple fixed-size chunking? The correct answer is option B. It attempts to keep semantically related content, like paragraphs and sentences, together by splitting on logical separators. Which metric is used to measure the recall of the retriever in a RAG system? The correct answer is option B, hit rate or recall at K. In a corrective RAG CRAG framework, what happens if the retriever returns documents that are evaluated as ambiguous or low confidence? The correct answer is option B. The system performs a web search to augment the retrieved knowledge. What is the primary benefit of product quantization (PQ) in vector databases? The correct answer is option B. It compresses vectors to significantly reduce memory usage and speed up distance calculations. How does multi-query retrieval address the limitation of a single user query? The correct answer is option B. It uses an LLM to generate multiple variations of the user query to capture different semantic perspectives. What is metadata filtering in the context of a vector search? The correct answer is option B, applying hard constraints, e.g., date greater than 2023, to narrow the search space before or during vector similarity search. Which of the following is a sparse retrieval method often combined with dense retrieval for hybrid search? The correct answer is option B, BM25. What is the context window limitation in RAG architecture? The correct answer is option B. The maximum number of tokens an LLM can process in a single inference pass. In Agentic RAG, what is the role of a router? The correct answer is option B. To decide which data source or tool, e.g., VectorDB, SQLDB search engine, is best suited for a specific query. Which technique involves fine-tuning an embedding model using pairs of query, relevant document to improve domain-specific retrieval? The correct answer is option B, contrastive learning. What is re-ranking in the RAG pipeline? The correct answer is option B. A second stage of retrieval that uses a more expensive model to refine the order of the top K results. What is the primary risk of data leakage in a RAG system evaluation? The correct answer is option B. The test questions or answers being present in the documents used to populate the RAG's vector store. Which component is responsible for transforming raw text into numerical vectors? The correct answer is option B, the embedding model. What is sentence window retrieval? The correct answer is option B, retrieving a specific sentence, but providing the LLM with a surrounding window of context for better understanding. In RAG, what does the generator refer to? The correct answer is option B, the large language model, LLM, that produces the final natural language response. Thank you for watching.